Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Battle Pass in Marvel Rivals. The Battle Pass is your gateway to exciting cosmetic rewards and valuable in-game currency every season. It comes in two main versions: a free tier, accessible to all players, and a paid luxury tier, which unlocks even more exclusive content. A fantastic feature of this system is that once purchased, your Battle Pass never expires, allowing you to progress at your own pace. To advance through your Battle Pass, you'll primarily earn Chrono Tokens, the special in-game currency. These tokens are crucial for unlocking rewards. You can consistently acquire them by completing daily missions, which refresh every 24 hours, and weekly missions, offering more substantial rewards. Don't forget to check seasonal events and achievements, as these also provide excellent opportunities to earn additional Chrono. While beneficial for credit building, the Capital One Platinum card does not offer any rewards programs, so you won't earn cashback or points on your purchases. It's important to note the interest rate can be on the higher side, typically around 29.99% variable. This card is best for those focused purely on credit improvement, not for maximizing rewards. To maximize your Battle Pass progression, consistently complete your daily and weekly missions. They are your most reliable source of Chrono Tokens. If you opt for the Luxury Battle Pass, you'll receive an additional 2,800 Chrono Tokens and a 20% boost to all future token earnings. This allows you to unlock exclusive items like character skins, unique emotes, and valuable in-game currencies such as lattice and units.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.